What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn, and in today's episode, I will teach you how to fix login error on ChatGPT. So this one is pretty easy, just need to follow my step and you pretty much can do it. So first of all, just go to Google, and after going to Google, just search help ChatGPT like this. Just click that and click this first, first website right here. After you're on the website, click this one. Why can't I log into ChatGPT? And it will show you some main or some reasons why you can't log in, and also solutions on how you can solve it. Just read and follow them, and you can pretty much do it. And if that doesn't work, just click this icon right here, and you just need to send the ChatGPT support a message and share your concern on why you can't log into your chat GPT, and they might, respond and give you an solution. Well, they normally respond under a week, so you just need to wait until they respond to your message and send you a solution on how you can log in again to your account. And that's it. That's how you can do it. And also, that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.